Have you ever looked at a travel brochure and instantly wanted to visit that destination? That's exactly what a great brochure should do. But creating one that looks professional and is easy to update isn't always as simple, especially when your offers, prices, and itineraries change often. In this video, we'll show you how to make a travel brochure that not only looks amazing, but is interactive, easy to update, and ready to share. Before designing anything, think of your audience. Are you promoting a luxury resort, a city break, or an adventure tour? Your travel brochure should immediately reflect that experience. Start with eye-catching images that showcase the destination. Then, include practical information like trip highlights, daily itineraries, and what's included in the offer. Instead of long paragraphs, keep your content easy to scan with short sections and clear headings. The good news is, you don't need to build everything from scratch. With Flipsnack, you can start however you prefer. Upload an existing PDF, create a brochure from scratch, or choose one of our professionally designed travel brochure templates to save time. Finally, make it interactive. Add links to your booking pages, enhance your brochure with videos and interactive maps, or include a contact form so readers can get in touch without leaving the brochure. To make your travel brochure even more engaging, bring your beautiful destination photos to life by animating them with AI in just one click. Instead of creating a static travel pamphlet, you're building an engaging experience. Once your interactive travel brochure is ready, share it however your audience prefers. Send a link, embed it on your website, include it in email campaigns, or export it as a print-ready PDF. You'll also get built-in analytics to see how readers interact with your brochure, which pages attract the most attention, and what captures their interest. So are you ready to create beautiful interactive travel brochures that inspire travelers? Well, click the link in the description and start creating with Flipsnack today.